Hello Rishi. So let's start a new activity.
Yes.
So what we have now?
Bird.
Bird. Okay. So in the bird there is colors some missing, na?
Yes.
Where the colors are missing? Show me. Here and here. Right. These are colorful. Okay. But here some color are missing. So we have some powder sand. Okay.
Yes.
So which two colors we have now? Which two colors?
1, 2.
This is which color? Sand?
Orange.
Yes. And this is color sand. This is?
Purple.
Yes. So see. Purple border. Okay. In the purple border we will put purple sand, and in the orange border we will put orange sand. Are you ready?
Yes.
Show me thumb up. Thumbs up. Okay. See, Mama will show you how we will do. Okay. First we will take pinch of color. Okay. Then put here. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. So now you will do. Take pinch of color first.
Yes.
Orange put here. Okay. Yes. Take more. No, not now. First finish. Here only orange. Okay. Don't put here. Take more. Very nice. Take more sand. Yes. Feel all the white area. Then here.
Look what only. Now colorful?
Now it will look colorful.
Yes.
Careful. Very nice. Take more. In all the white area you have to cover. Cover. Here also. Yes, very nice. Here. Don't tap now. First fill it. Yes, very nice.
It's now colorful.
Those are white color. Complete. Yes.
What
Here also. Okay. Now orange finished. Let's start the purple one. Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah. Take more colors. Take more colors. Take.
The powder.
Not powder. This is sand. Color sand.
Color sand.
Look. All white area. Take more. Yes, very nice. Yes. Only
Red.
color. We will make colorful bird.
Yes.
Ethi.
It's called.
White area. Cover all white area.
Yes. Cover all white area.
We will make it colorful bird. What we will make?
Colorful one. How do you get to the white?
Cover. The back side. They are all white area. Cover. Take. Cover. So now it's done. Now it's done.
Yes.
Okay. So now we have to. So now all excess colors will come out. Right? See
Ooh.
how it looks. Is it beautiful?
Yes.
It's beautiful.
Ooh, I love that one too. I like.
So now it's beautiful bird.
Yes.
We make it colorful. This is now. We made this colorful bird.
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.